Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started, you'll need to open up the standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Once you've done so, click on that gear icon and then select import or export contacts. You're going to allow access to storage, and from there you want to select your SIM card. So for me it's play, as you can see, and it's in a tray number 1. And then it's asking us where we want to import the contacts to. We have two options: either our Google account, at least I do, because I am logged in, or the phone. So select whichever one you prefer. Probably better option will be your Google account if you're logged into it, but I'll be kind of doing the opposite of what I'm saying, and I will select phone. From there, this will display all contacts that are located on the phone, on the SIM card, and by default I can select all of them right here, and then deselect ones that I might not want, and click on OK, and there we go. Contacts now have been imported, and when we go back we should see them right here. So there we go. And you can also see that some of them have this SIM icon, some of them do not, and the one with the SIM obviously are located on your SIM card. So if I were to take out my SIM, if I can find the little tool, there we go, you'll see those contacts simply just disappear. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.